You're watching BDN TV. On a whole, people are way too comfortable doing this. It's all fun and games until someone whips out the big delete button.
You ever cut me off again, I'll beat the out of you. You know what you did. You cut me off. Good. Call the cops. Now I know where you live. Good. Good. Because I know where you live. Boom. Boom. Tell your mama to quit cutting people off.
Everything okay?
No, it's not. She cut me off and then was acting like an idiot.
It's only a matter of time before he's caught. The dude had no idea there was a good camera recording the whole encounter. Sucks for him. No judge is going to like what they see here.
Are you serious, man? Man, are you serious? I paid 16K for this whole place to rebuild it.
You 16K?
Yeah, yes,
This
someone
guy didn't
started.
stand it.
So
He didn't stand it.
yeah, it's $25,000 fine. So I can forward this video to the cops.
The cyclist is totally unapologetic when he was caught tagging this restaurant by the restaurant owner himself. Their smiling and cheeky attitude makes this much worse. This is one of the best fails I've seen. Such an idiot. Nobody got hurt, and the other driver's reaction is just perfect. The driver lied to her insurance and said that the camera drove in her lane. I wish people caught on camera like this had real penalties imposed on by their own insurance company. Thanks to dashcam footage, the camera was not found at fault. This high schooler found out the hard way that they were busted for committing this hit and run. The camera didn't press charges, just wanted their damages to be fixed.
God!
Not only did she not check her blind spot, it looks like she was about to jump lanes of traffic as well.
Young and ambitious.
There are like other jobs out there besides banking that you can make similar amounts of money and you're not pulling your hair out at 2 a.m.
Tech is a big competitor for talent, and the pandemic has upended attitudes about work-life balance.
Oh, Jesus
A
Christ.
reckoning in
I feel like everyone besides the crasher were extremely lucky here that no one else was hit. Insurance ruled that the camera was liable. The camera likely had a bad adjuster. The camera can make a Department of Insurance complaint since they're not operating with the best interest at heart, and that'll generate a response for sure because they're legally required to do so. In my opinion, the Jeep is 100% at fault.
Blatantly, they're just saying it. They're saying women are being taken and men are being taken for their labor. I don't know how they could be more clear.
Yeah, that's part of it.
It seems that the SUV was making an illegal pass on the shoulder. I would take an educated guess that the police and insurance would find the SUV at fault.
Legends on 3, 2, 1. That's
It's always the overcorrection that does them in. The poor SUV was just minding their own business. Not only is it clear she's running a red, but she's cutting far into oncoming traffic lane into a blind spot. Clearly she doesn't understand any basic form of safety. I find her reaction to be hilarious. Comment F to pay respects to the totaled Miata. Supposedly this is a pending case for DUI. The camera just changed lanes because the driver behind him was tailgating so closely. Well, that decision paid out almost instantly. This is some of the juiciest karma I've ever seen. The driver cuts off the camera and gets T-boned by a red light runner. It looks like the other driver tried to pull out and somehow hadn't seen the pickup. They slammed on the brakes, thought, phew, that was a close one, and then a second time pulled out without looking, hitting the camera. I hope everyone is okay, and I also hope that those street racers spend a few years in jail.
Bro, what are they gonna do with it?
I think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Holy!
Your destination is on the right.
More like your final destination is on the right. The driver did circle back to apologize to the camera.
You can't just go around over there. You really don't see me backing up at the spot.
I was in front of you.
Come on, man.
I was in front of you.
You weren't going over there.
Yeah.
You were stuck in the middle. Dude.
I was in front of you and you jumped ahead of me. Are you serious?
Props to the camera for standing his ground. The BMW driver was being a douche and tried to steal this spot by cutting in front. Overtaking and then trying to back in front of somebody you just cut off is completely a new level of bold by these people. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I hope I can post more for y'all in the near future. With love, DDS.